G'day, welcome to another episode of Country Life on the Coast. In today's episode, we're going to work on my Lego Bugatti Chiron. So I got this, a little while ago now. It's not actually a Christmas present, but since it's Christmas time, thought I'd open it up and finally put it together. So we've never opened it, just pulled it out of the cardboard box that it came in, and yeah, so we'll get to work, start putting it together. I think it's going to take a while because it's extremely heavy, but yeah, this should be good. Oh, wow. Very cool. Okay. Oh my goodness. Look at the size of the instruction book. And it says book 1. Right. Stickers. Okay. I see. So the boxes are numbered. So maybe the instructions will give us some more information about those. Book 2. Wow. And the wheels. She's going to be decent size. Well, it is a 1/8 scale too, so awesome. That's so cool. Alright, I think it's time to get into time lapse. Well, that's the end of box 1, and we've built the rear end of it, the engine, there's a differential in there, got the, I suppose, disc brakes connected. Amazing detail what they put inside that, you know, once we put the body on it, we're not going to see any of that. But yeah, hopefully been able to follow the instructions correctly. We'll continue on probably tomorrow. It's getting a bit late in the day now. We'll open up box 2 and continue on. So we've done 2 boxes so far, and we finished the first book. We're now onto the second book. It's coming together really well. Looks awesome. But just something I've found is when you're going through these, they make it really easy for you. Probably too easy. But in the book it tells you when we go to the next box is box 3, it actually tells you where the box is located in here. So this is box 3 that we're looking for. And then when you go into box 3 and you turn the page over a page or 2, it actually tells you what bag of parts you're looking for inside of box 3. Our first bag will be bag 7. So we can just pull the parts out of bag 7 and go through that, rather than have to empty everything out and then be spending a long time finding pieces. Yeah, they sort of make it a bit easy, but which is good, makes it go quicker. So we'll pull bag 7 out and keep going. Here we have it, guys. We've finally got it all together. How awesome is it? I gotta say, it took a lot longer than I probably expected it to take, but the detail of this is just phenomenal. There's a gear stick down here that you can put it into gear, and then you see the pistons moving up and down when you push the car forward and backwards. There's a bonnet that has a little bit of luggage with it as well. And there's actually, and there's a number up here, just being the special edition that it is for Lego. Just very cool. The steering works on it, doors open and close, rear wing, just phenomenal. Love it. So this is going to look good on the shelf. It is so good. But that's all we've got time for in this episode. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time. God bless.